guys, today we're making some peanut butter cheesecake brownies. These are insanely good with some chunks of peanut butter and cream cheese that brings back that creamy texture, guys. Let me tell you, from the time you eat this, you won't want to stop eating them, okay? And I am going to be making this peanut butter cheesecake brownies from the box itself that has the recipe. So I'm using the Baker's Premium Baking Bar, and the recipe you see here, I'm not going to use the direct measurements that they have. All right, I'm going to be cutting down on my sugar. Now I'm going to take a knife and just shave the chocolate into very small pieces so that it will be able to melt very quickly. I'm also going to add the butter with this. Put them in the microwave for 1 minute and 20 seconds and then just stir them until you know everything is well dissolved and combined. Once it's done, I'm going to just pour it right over into my larger mixing dish. And you can see how this texture is smooth and nice. Now add 1 cup of granulated sugar and just mix it in. This is such a quick, simple and easy recipe, guys. Add 4 eggs, one at a time. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And at this time I have my oven set to 350 degrees. Then I'm just going to whisk this in. You can see how smooth my texture is. And you want to make sure that you do not over bake this, okay? Now I have a pan lined with parchment paper that I did grease with some vegetable oil. I'm going to pour the mixture right into this pan. Then I'm going to mix my cream cheese and peanut butter, 1 egg. At this time, I was supposed to be using 1 cup of granulated sugar into here, but I did leave it out. Once it's done mixing, I just place it on the top of my mixture. And then I'll use a knife. As you can see that there's a good mixture here. I'll use a knife and just swirl it around until we get like a marble pattern. Then I'm going to place it into the oven and let it bake for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, you insert a toothpick or a skewer, and once it comes out clean, you know that your peanut butter cheesecake brownies are done. Remove it from the pan, place it onto a rack, and let it cool for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, we're going to cut it. And you can see that it's a very good texture here. Remember, you cannot overbake them, okay? And guys, the peanut butter adds saltiness along with the cream cheese. It brings in that creamy texture and it combines well in this brownie. Once we're done cutting, this is what our brownies looks like. Beautiful. Give it a try, guys, and happy baking. I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.